What animal has a terrible reputation, but in reality is not bad at all?
Vultures. Basically nature's trash collector.
T-Rex, never hurt a human before.
Opossums. Despite the mean mug and demon-looking eyes, they are not aggressive at all and are generally clean creatures.
Before anyone else says it, shark.
Apparently domesticated rats are intelligent, cuddly, and playful among having other good pet qualities. Still don't want one in my house though.
Spiders. Especially Australian spiders. There's only a couple you really need to worry about, the rest are great for catching annoying insects and actually deadly spiders.
Black cats.